Hi, I'm Diane here at Raft, the resource area for teaching. I'd like to take you on a quick tour to highlight some of the things you might find in our units here at raft.education. Here is the homepage for raft.education. To find our units, head up to Lessons, by grade, and let's take a look at our 5th grade lesson, Freshwater Transport. We've organized the unit as lessons within an accordion. So you'll immediately see the unit overview up top. If we scroll down a bit, you'll see all the lessons are listed, including a design challenge. So this unit will have 5 separate lessons that you can do as an entire unit, or you can do individually if they fit certain needs your students have. Scrolling back up, let's take a look. You'll have the overview. Below that, STEAM integration is how we have incorporated all of the standards that have influenced this lesson. So in this particular unit, we have an NGSS standard, as well as a math standard and a writing Common Core standard. You'll also find suggestions for pacing and differentiation, so you can change the unit to fit your own students' needs. We have unit materials, Maker Journal, and design thinking overview. All of our units are designed with the design thinking process in mind. So for an intro to this or a reminder wherever you are a refresher, depending on your experience with design thinking, take a look at the 5 stages that we use. Your Maker Journal tab on the unit overview will have each of the Maker Journals for the lessons throughout this unit. Each separate lesson page will also have the Maker Journal that goes with that. So you'll find some of these resources on multiple pages. Now, this material list might look a bit long, but many of these materials are found in our Makerspace in a box kit or already in your classroom. We try to make these quite flexible for you. Let's take a look. Once you get into your lessons, here is lesson 1. Each lesson will start with essential questions and then have lesson procedure. Your student directions have a sample dialogue. And then to the side, we again have lesson materials, Maker Journal pages. Concept Quick Reference is a place that will add in some quick notes. If you're working with the Pythagorean theorem, we'll toss that in just in case your brain just has a skip while you're teaching it. We want to be able to support you. Teacher notes, some ideas that we think might facilitate the lesson, learning targets, and assessments. Each assessment will have a student self-assessment, peer assessment, and teacher assessment suggestions. We'll take a look down at the bottom. So the design challenge is a bit different from the lessons. Within here, you'll notice that none of the dialogue is already there. So notice that plus sign, go ahead and click on it. It will open up the dialogue and the information for each section. So we have the ideate phase, the prototype phase, and finally testing the design. Thanks for watching. That's it for our quick overview of raft.education units.